Welcome to day 20 of our 100-day Python coding challenge. In this video, we'll tackle a common programming problem, printing a solid half-diamond pattern using Python. Want to improve your Python skills? Join us on this coding journey as we explore various programming challenges and solutions together. In this challenge, we'll write a Python program that takes a number m as input and prints a solid half-diamond pattern with two m1 rows and m columns. Each asterisk character will be separated by a space. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer m. Output. The output should be two m1 rows and m columns containing the asterisk characters in the solid half-diamond pattern. Note, there is a space after each asterisk character. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python coding challenges and tutorials. Subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Share. Spread the knowledge by sharing this video with your friends and colleagues. Like. Show your support by hitting the like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding!